bring the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go! You worry too much, R5. I would never send them any place dangerous that might damage the ship. And them too, yes, but... This is why I start my own company. To have ridiculous conversations when they're talking trash, man.
KL 432 to base.
Yes, indeed. Loud and clear.
We're in a bit of a situation with the First Order.
The First Order, excellent.
We're not authorized to pick up the cargo.
We're picking up the cargo, good.
They've accused us of stealing.
Well, see, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. What you there? I do. Unfortunately. Time is money. Flight engineer, repair test. It's your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Trust about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Well, let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train!
We're going!
Flight engineers, fire the approach! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes!
I hit him!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, Fire the hostiles and reel us in. Gunners, do the trade. The cargo is bringing quick shooting. I thought you had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the tree. It's coming down. Let's fire. Hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It's not unusual to... Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
This thing is practically scrap metal.